Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learn Chinese with Candice. 你好，欢迎来到我的频道，这里是跟着 Candice 学中文。If you are interested in learning Chinese, this channel is an excellent option for you to learn Chinese online for free. This is my first YouTube video, so in this video, I'm gonna introduce me and my channel to you. My introduction gonna be around 3W and 1H. First W is for who I am. As my YouTube name mentioned, my name is Candice, and you can also call me Candice, 老师, because 老师 in Chinese means teacher. I have more than 5 years teaching working experience, and I'm good at developing learning courses for students to meet different study needs. Maybe you have heard that Chinese is one of the hardest language to learn, but don't worry, because I'm good at making difficult things easier in the class. I'm gonna illustrate the words with interesting examples and make it easier for you to remember the words. Besides, my humorous teaching style gonna make you learn Chinese with fun. Second W is why I started a channel. As you may have known, from 2023, the border of China is reopened. So it's a great opportunity to do business in China or to study in China. Language is the unique tool to communicate. That's why more and more people worldwide studying Chinese now. So I want to use this channel to teach Chinese for free, to help you gain competitive advantage in your career or your study in China. Third W is what you can get from the channel. In my channel, you can grow your Chinese speaking, listening, writing, and reading. All of these are necessary skills to learn a language. No matter you learn Chinese for basic communication, studying, business, you can always find relevant free courses in my channel. The 1H is for how I'm gonna teach Chinese. I will divide my Chinese teaching courses into different sections depending on different learning needs. For example, Chinese for beginners, daily communication Chinese, Chinese grammar. You can always find different courses in my playlist. If you are a new beginner for Chinese, I truly suggest you to start from Chinese for beginners courses, because in this session, I'm gonna teach you some basic words to communicate with Chinese. This is also called the beginner stage. I'm also gonna post videos about Chinese culture, customs, and etc. to make you know more about China. If you have any suggestions for my channel, you are also welcome to share the ideas down below in the comment. Please remember to subscribe and learn Chinese with Candice.